See, look at this. All of them. Welcome.
And also, can you take a picture? No problem, it's free. No $1, no $2. For example, in this wood is the sheep wood. For cattle wool, we use the piece of glass, the small glass. When animal alive, we use the scissor or a knife. The lamb, alpaca, vicuñas, this is the similar process. For washing the wool, we use the warm water. And also for washing, we use the natural root. The Quechua name is Sactana or Sachaparatai. It's like a yucca or yaca. Yeah? This root is good for body, for clothing, and also this root prevents gray hair. Yeah? Because it's natural. For young people, it's better. For adults, it's too late. Yeah? Yes. Okay, for filter, we use the natural baskets. We call it suisuna, yeah, for filter. This one smells like a flower, lemon, or shampoo. Doesn't smell, yeah, we call it Inca shampoo. You can see that sheep wool is very dirty because the lamb, alpaca, vicuñas, they don't never take a shower. After this is the wool, the washing, they clean the water. You can see the difference before and after. The wool is very clean. Yeah? After this is the wool, they dry over there, like this, in the sun or in the shade. Oh, Cielito, right? Okay, then we pass, this is the spinning. In this tool we call it pushka. The Quechua name is pushka. We can spin in dancing, pledging, cooking, walking, speaking, and also kissing is no problem. All the time, because the spinning we learning from 7 years old. When it's spray is no problem, I am together. For example, we calculated thread for a scarf, for blankets, for sweater, for different products, different techniques. For example, in this thread is for the table runner or for the blankets. You can see pulling the wool and twisting. Yeah? Only women make, yeah? No men. Okay, you can see pulling the wool and twisting. Okay, this is the finished spinning, then we prepare the yarn for the For example, for different natural colors, we use the leaves, the flower, the insect, the mineral, the different products of chinchero. For example, for green color, we use the eucalyptus leaves. For other tonalities, we use that eucalyptus, we can get different green colors. For purple color, we use the purple corn, it's beautiful green, for the chicha morada. For other tonalities, we use the YPD leaves. When leaf is rich, is the green color, the dry is the purple color. For brown color, we use the barrel creep, we call this keuna. For yellow colors, we use the flower kiko, retama, and koye flowers. For orange color, we use the moss, the lichens. For blue color, we use the lupin flowers. The Quechua name is hancas. For red color, for 24 red color, we use the famous cochinilla. Do you know cochinilla? Cochinilla is a beetle, it's an insect. Yeah? The cochinilla lives on the cactus, and this is the cochinilla alive. In this moment, I am going to sacrifice, you can see, this is the first color. Yeah? For change the color, we use the arum stone. And also we use the lime juice. Of the cochinilla, we can get 24 different tonalities of red color. The cochinilla in chinchera, we use the natural lipstick. For example, for festivity, for dancing, this is the Inca cosmetic. The cochinilla resists lasts 24 hours for 100 kisses. It's very economic, it's cheaper. Yeah? And also for fix the color, for permanent the color, we use the mineral. We use the alum stone, sulfur maras, volcanic stone, and lime juice. Yeah, that one is the cochineal powder. For example, in this was boiling, this is the cochineal water. For fix the color, we use the alum stone. This for fix the colors. Chaita, Ophelia, esto. Gloria, Chaita, Misha, you can see this is the first color. This is the cochineal wool, have to boil in 35 minutes. different type or different colors. Yeah? In the other postboiling, this is the yellow colors from yellow flowers. For the color, we use the volcanic stone. This is the yellow color have to boil in 2 hours because the flower is dry. Different type or different colors. After this is the wool, the washing, the clean the water. Then wipe in the sun, the color is permanent. You can see all the yards from different natural plants. And also from different color, we make different products. Yeah? Okay, this is the finish, the full process. Do you have any question? Black color is the most important from chinchero because represent the mother earth Pachamama. For example, for the table runner, we need approximately 500 threads. For the blankets for carries the baby or for product, we need approximately 2,500 threads because it's more bigger. We are making approximately here, then we have the weaving process. Please, have a look. You can see after she making the table runners, the Quechua name is Livia. The principal tool for blankets or for the table runner is the bone. I have one question, my friends. What kind of bone is this? Whose bone is this? Do you know?
Llama.
No.
Human bone.
Yeah, yes. The
Human
bone
bone.
is human bone. The bone is the tourist bone, didn't buy anything. Okay? It's a joke. The bone is from alpacas or llamas. Not tourist bone, not human bone. Yeah? The llama bone we use for to tie the table runner because the table runner or blankets is waterproof. Yeah? For example, for pattern or for design, we don't need the computer, the book, the paper, or the other design. We make only from memory because we learn in the generation and generation, the grandmother and daughter. Yeah? Okay, you can see the table runners. The design is reversible both sides. We machine make is one size. For example, the design represents the flora fauna, the different community of Chinchero. For example, this design we call it Chaska, represent the star. This design we call it Eka, represent the flower. The middle design we call it Lorai, for Lorai is medicine and plant is good for eyes. Yeah, the light color, the blue, represent the mountains. In Chinchero, stick two lakes. This is the pure represent the women, another this is the white one represent the men. This is the duality and the letters representing the calendar, the two small rhombus represent the condor eyes. For one table runner, we spend 1 month, 6 hours for dates every day. It depends the wool in alpaca, baby alpaca is long tight 2 months or 3 months because the wool is very fine and is very softer. Yeah? Finally, the table runners include to the border. After a now, she making the border. Please, have a look. And you can see she making the border. The border is from here, only here made the border. For example, in the Sacres Valley in Pisa, Ollantaytambo, Machu Picchu, the table runner or the blankets includes the border. Yeah? This is the border, the Quechua name is Ñahui Awapa, represent the Inca princess size. For example, this product is finished, please the touch, you can feel the wool. Yeah, this is sheep. Basu chanta chaski cheese. This is